Have you ever wondered how the sun, a fiery ball 93 million miles away, powers a light bulb in your home? Welcome to the fascinating world of solar energy. Imagine the sun as a colossal power station ceaselessly radiating energy in all directions. This energy travels across space and reaches us in the form of sunlight. Solar energy in its simplest form is the transformation of this sunlight into electricity. In essence, solar energy is a two-step process. The first step involves capturing the sunlight. Solar panels, which are typically mounted on rooftops or other sun-exposed areas, do this job. These panels are made up of solar cells, often made from silicon, the same material used in computer chips. When sunlight hits these cells, it knocks electrons loose and creates an electric current. The second step is converting this current into a form we can use. This is where a device called an inverter comes into play. The inverter takes the direct current produced by the solar cells and converts it into alternating current, the kind of electricity that powers our homes. Now, isn't that a marvel of modern science? But wait, there's more. One might ask, what happens when the sun isn't shining? This is where energy storage systems like batteries come in. They store excess power produced during the day for use at night or during cloudy weather. Solar energy is renewable, meaning it won't run out as long as the sun keeps shining. It's also clean, producing no harmful emissions once the panels are made and installed. Plus, it can be a cost-effective choice over time, potentially saving you money on your electricity bills. To summarize, solar energy is harnessed by capturing sunlight with solar panels, converting the generated direct current into alternating current with an inverter, and storing any excess power in batteries for later use. It's a renewable, clean, and potentially cost-saving source of power. Whether it's powering a light bulb in your home, charging your phone, or even fueling an electric car, solar energy is a versatile and sustainable solution for our energy needs. So next time you bask in the warmth of the sun, remember, you're experiencing the source of an incredible power that holds the key to a sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of solar energy. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the wonders of the world around us.